So while it feels like things are happening to you, nothing is happening to you. It's all being invited by you. Oh, but why would I invite rude people? Or why would I invite construction people that don't do a good job? Why would I invite things I do not want? And we say, you invite them through your attention to them. So if we were standing in your physical shoes and we understood that we were the inviters of everything that happens to us, we would get on a sort of rampage of selective sifting that would say, I'm going to find my 10 favorite things about everything that I find myself focused upon. So if you're pondering your mother, find 10 favorite things. If you're pondering your sister, find 10 favorite things. If you're thinking about your work, find 10 favorite things. If you come into a hotel, find 10 favorite things. If you need a new person, find 10 favorite things. If you're thinking about your relationship, find 10 favorite things. In other words, start orienting yourself to looking for those things that are already positive. And what begins to happen is you begin to set a tone so that only things like your favorite things can come into your vibrational range.